Hi, good day, Ma'am Looney. Can you tell me about yourself?
Everyone, good day. My name is Loni Katamusan, 35 years old. I'm a high school graduate and I'm a single mother with two children, ages of 16 years old boy and 15 years old girl. And I have an experience as a local housemaid here in Philippines for 2 years and 5 months. Started on August 2019 until January 2022. And I serve four family members, two adults and two children, ages of 4 years old girl and 2 years old boy. My main duties and responsibilities are to take care of the children, like to change their diaper, assist the bathroom, give them milk and nutritious food on time, and playing with them. And I do the household chores, such as clean the house, wash clothes, ironing, sometimes gardening, and sometimes marketing. And to my future employers, I hope that you choose me as your housemate because I'm hardworking, trustworthy, honest, and I have more patience to the children. And I do my responsibilities. Thank you, Mama Sir. God bless.